Okay, this is room 7151 at Pop Century. This is a handicapped accessible room. So if you come in here, you're gonna see the bed is gonna be a little bit lower down. Hold on, let me zoom out a bit. This is a Murphy bed. This is a pull down bed, so I can show you how that works. You're gonna have all the kind of standard fixings that come with a value resort. So you're gonna have your Hey Disney here, and then kind of just your standard drawers and doors. Your safe's gonna be in there. Bible, extra pillow. There's your TV. Nice hooks right there to hang up all of your bags for the day. And then here you're gonna have your mini fridge and coffee station, ice bucket, nice closet space. And then this is the bathroom. Pretty nice. Again, this is gonna be handicapped accessible. So you're also gonna have the roll-in shower. So this is what, if you are thinking about staying in Pop Century, and you have the ironing board as well, of course. If you're thinking about staying in Pop Century, this is going to be what your room would look like. Okay, so just really quick, this is what that bed looks like pulled down. We are checking out this morning and going home, but yeah, this is the handicapped accessible room at Pop Century.